In this video, I am going to discuss about step down chopper. Before going to discuss about this step down chopper, we have to know about what is the meaning of chopper. Actually, chopper is a static power electronic device which converts fixed DC voltage to a variable DC voltage. It is a static power electronics device. That means it does not have any rotational parts. It only having the static device which converts fixed DC voltage to a variable DC voltage. This is about the chopper. Actually, the chopper is high speed switch which connects and disconnects, and mainly the switch is used to connects or disconnects only. So that's why it is a high speed switch which connects or disconnects the load from the supply, load from source or supply. So this is about the chopper. The chopper are represented as a switch in dotted rectangular box. That is, the symbol of chopper is like this, which is shown in the arrow, and this arrow is indicated in a rectangular box. This is the symbol for chopper. Let us discuss the circuit diagram of step down chopper. Let's draw this step down chopper first. At first, from the source side, we have to draw the chopper. I am telling the shortcuts how to draw the circuit diagram. At first, from the source there is a chopper. You have to draw. This is the source Vs. This is DC supply only, and here we are having the freewheeling diode. And then here we are having the inductor, then here load. Let's mention the parameters. This is the Vs and this is CH chopper. This is the L is the inductor, and here we are having the freewheeling diode. Here it is a load I naught, and here we are having V naught. Vs is the supply voltage and CH is the chopper. FD is the freewheeling diode. L is the inductor. I naught is the output voltage or output current or load current. V naught is the output voltage or load voltage. Here we are having Is as supply voltage. This is the circuit diagram of step down chopper. Actually, in the step down chopper, output voltage is less than the input voltage. That means step down means the output voltage is less than the supply voltage or source voltage. Let's write that point. Output voltage is less than the source voltage or input voltage. So let us discuss the operation first. When switch, that is chopper is in on state, what will happen? When the chopper is in on state means the chopper is closed. In this case, the inductor will store the energy, then the supply voltage is equals to the output voltage, that is input voltage is equals to output voltage because of this closed loop. Here the inductor stores the energy. When the chopper is in on state, that is T on period, output voltage is equals to the supply voltage. during the chopper is in on state. Then next, when the chopper is in off state, what will happen? When the chopper is in off state, that means the switch is opened. During the chopper on, the stored energy is in the inductor. During the off state, the stored energy will dissipate the energy. Like this, the current will flow like this. During the chopper off state, this freewheeling diode short circuited. Short circuit because of the energy is released or dissipated. So that's why here we are having the output voltage equals to 0 because of this freewheeling diode short circuited. Then the current is flowing. The current is flowing like this. I naught current is flowing like this. Then discuss about this derivations for the step down chopper. What is that? When switch is in on state, what will happen? That is energies, we have to calculate the energies. That is Wi equals to during the chopper on state, that is supply voltage minus V0 into Is into T on. This is why we are doing this calculation, means energy equals to voltage into current into time. These are the three parameters we have to calculate. During the step down chopper, during the T on, Vs minus V0, why we are taking means the output voltage is less than the input voltage, that is supply voltage is higher. So that's why we are taking Vs minus V0. Then Is is the supply current. During the T on we are doing, so that's why we are taking T on. Then what is the switch is in off state? Equation is V0 Is and T off. This is the equation 1 and here is the equation 2. Then equate the equation 1 and equation 2, 1 equal to 2. In this case, Wi equal to W0. Vs minus V0 into Is T on equals to V0 Is T off. Then let's divide this. Vs Is and Is will cancel. Vs T on minus V0 T on equal to V0 T off. Then Vs T on equal to V0 T on plus V0 T off. Common the V0, T on plus T off. Here T on plus T off equal to T, total time. So V0 into T. Then V0 equal to Vs into T on by T, where this T on by T equal to duty cycle. T on by T equal to D, that is D is duty cycle. So V0 equal to Vs into D. Sometimes they wrote the D as alpha. We can also write different parameters for the duty cycle. I am considering D as duty cycle. This is the output voltage equation. Then let's discuss about the waveforms. So this is the supply voltage. the supply voltage always constant one because the chopper is a DC input and DC output. So that's why the supply voltage is like this. This is the what is the output voltage we have to calculate. During the T on, I already told during the switch is in on state, Vs equal to V naught. So that's why the output voltage is equals to the supply voltage. Then during the T off, I already told during the switch is in off state, output voltage equals to 0. So that's why we are writing as T off is 0 in this case. So what is the output current? During the T on state, the inductor will get charged and the current is gradually increased. During T off, the current is dissipated in the inductor, then the current is gradually decreased, and these situations are continued. This is about the waveforms of the step down chopper. I hope you all understand well. This is about the step down chopper. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box.